I don't know what it is, but I feel incredibly good looking right now. Ladies and gentlemen, it is Straight Bars 8 Cars with a brand new Toyota 2018 Tesla Model 3. I waited a year and a half for this. I put down my deposit February 2nd of 2017 and the wait is over. It is finally here. This thing is clean. The garage, not so much. I just took a shower, so I'm clean. But look at this. Sometimes I just sit here and look at it. You gotta just look at it. Like I come through the door and just take a little peek, like the intro, and I'm blown away because I come from humble beginnings. I actually feel uncomfortable winning. Like I never had anything as nice as this besides the house. Wait, is it? It's supposed to open. Wait, hold on. So how you open it, you don't actually have keys. You have these little things, these little cards, and you put it right there. They don't even have door handles. It's like a door handle, but you have to push it in and then it comes out. It's incredible. The center screen. Oh, it smells so good. I know you can. There we go. This is not the standard Model 3. I got a few upgrades on it. First, the 19-inch sports wheels. Second, the pearl white coat. Third, I got dual wheel drive, which costs a little bit more money, as well as the extended battery. So all in all, this ended up costing me about $69,000. I paid for it in all cash. The premium upgrades, of course, the glass roof. You're kidding me? Like, whoa. All right, let's jump in this spaceship. Woo! Close that charge port that I left open. Let's see, can you guys see? Okay, it's open. Let's turn it up to 69 degrees actually, but it's insane. Like you can move the vents like this, and if you want it low, like the hot air to go low, you can bring it high, you can bring it out here, you can do whatever you want. You could increase the temp, like the fan speed, like it'll get really blasting in here. I always get so happy when I drive this car. Like before, we would do these monotonous drives to the store. It's basically a straight line there and back in the Jeep. And honestly, it kind of sucked my soul every time I drove. But now I actually look forward to it. This thing is super fast. There was a higher tier version than this, that the performance version that gave you an extra spoiler, an extra inch in terms of the rims, performance braking. But for $15,000 more, I don't think it was really worth it. And to be honest, I think I got the performance version, or if maybe it's just a tweak in the software or something, because this thing goes fast and it goes like 0 to 60. Like you get scared and excited, like it feels like a roller coaster for real. But let's show a little bit of the interior off here. Let me switch the camera. So you got a lot of different options. Like the main thing in the Model 3 is this touchscreen. You can adjust your mirrors. You can open the glove box from here, turn on the windshield wipers. You can talk to the car and like navigate stuff. It's actually really cool. I thought it would be a lot more scary because there's like no buttons. Like what if I want to get the windshields on right away? Well, you can do that right here. There's also a lot of automatic features, so like automatic lights, which is insane. It works so good that I pull up into the garage during daytime and it will turn on the lights in the garage. So there's a lot of features with this touchscreen, super responsive, and I'm kind of cautious of showing it because I have my address in here, so I don't really want to leak that. The premium version will allow you to get heated seats, which is very nice. My dumbass has 2 different types of socks on. But speaking of 2 different types of things, there's 2 different types of chargers right there, which is insane. Just pulled up into the console. Also back here, they have some USB ports. Here's the back seat. I don't know too much about the back seat. Don't think I'll be back there too much unless I get a chauffeur. I just love the wood grain. I've been a fan of wood grain ever since one of my 7th Street friends had this 95 Jeep Grand Cherokee wood grain in the inside and out, and I just love wood grain. So how do you start the car? Well, you have this key. This is where you just put your key right there, and that's how it works. Like, that's how it starts. But I don't want to really drive because I got the garage closed and stuff. What should I name my vehicle? I was thinking about calling it Fastest Nuke. Maybe the White Boy or something like that, because it's white on white. Long range, dual motor. You have a little Easter egg screen. Like, I could show you guys all the features and stuff, but I just wanted to make this video to let you know that I'm doing fantastic. I'm loving life, getting ready for blackout, and look at how you open the door. Just this little button, and the window will come down a little bit. You press the button, window gets a little down, and it just, oh man, it's just a whole bunch of little things. So I have a few more accessories coming, like a trunk liner, repair kits, and stuff like that, but that's in the mail. I also ordered a home charger because right now through a standard plug, you get about 4 miles an hour, which isn't that good unless you like charge it overnight. I don't know, you get like 50 miles or something overnight charging, but so I got a few goodies coming. But yeah, I'm an electric vehicle person now. I'm gonna make fun of everybody using gas vehicles. I might get a license plate that says LOL gas or something like that. This without my goats. So thank you guys for your support over the years. We do have this t-shirt and the long sleeve available in the description down below. Some hoodies as well because it's getting cold. We also got the classic goat design. We brought it back. That link is in the description. The t-shirt that started it all. So thank you guys for the support over the years. I couldn't live this dream life that I do without people who watch me and support me. And a big shout out to the haters as well, saying my channel's been dead for the last, I don't know, it seems like 6 years now. To be honest, I haven't really spent any of my, like, let's call it PlayStation 3 Glory Day money, like up to like Black Ops 2. I really haven't spent any of that money. I invested it in this house and in 2 different like stock accounts. And to be honest, big shout out to my mom as well, always telling me to save and be smart with my money. I didn't buy Lambos and Rolexes like some of those other YouTubers. I don't know where those guys are now, but I can tell you this is where I am now. And a big shout out to my mom. She always taught me to save money. Like, I had $1,600 saved when I was 16 years old, and maybe that's a lot, maybe it's a little, but like, I didn't spend like any money that I would get for birthdays or for Christmas or working. I would save up and save up, and it just, maybe I'm like super lucky because the financial crisis happened and like the recovery from that is when I made a lot of my YouTube money, and then the housing market was basically at its low, and I got this nice house, and hopefully one day when I resell it, it'll be a nice profit. I don't know, people like to compare me to other people that are flat out broke boys, and like, I don't get it. Put some respect on my name. I started this shit, you just part of this shit. I'm the heart of this shit, and the heart doesn't quit. So, I'm excited. We got new car, we got Blackout, we got Red Dead 2, so many good games, Battlefield, and ooh! Just look at it. Just look at it. Oh my God, baby, this thing's clean. Woo! So guys, thank you for your support over the years. I do not take it for granted. And if I can end this video on an inspirational note, if I can do it, you can do it. Just, you gotta work. People don't like working. Like, I have this weird, I don't know, something's triggered in my brain. I think it started when my parents died. We were moving my mom's clothes out of her bedroom and furniture and stuff like that. And, you know, it's a super sad thing, but like one thing that got me through it is just getting distracted by doing some work. And And I never lost. Like right now I'm painting my upstairs bedroom and the 2 closets. And honestly, I'm painting it the same exact color. It doesn't really make that big of a difference, but it cleans it up and it makes it look nicer, and it's just something to do. Like right now I'm waiting for these games to come out and I don't have much to do, to be honest. Instead of just being lazy and doing nothing, I want to at least be productive and do some work. So all you gotta do is work and save and not be stupid with your money. I mean, maybe that's easy for me to say when you have like a million buffer, but I don't know. Do you want to be as cool and good looking as me while saving the environment for your grandchildren? Well, use the link in the description down below. If you're considering buying a Tesla, you get $100 of free supercharging credit, and I get a little Tesla for my cats or my kids in the future, like a miniature one that you can drive in. Like I think I could fit in it, but it would be I'll try if someone uses the link in the description and I get the reward, which is that little car, I will make a video of me driving it. So please use the link in the description if you're considering buying a Tesla. Maybe not now, maybe later. Come back, use that link. It's always there.